Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to start a new surah, which is Surah Quraysh, meaning chapter of Quraysh. So let's start. Ala barakatillahi ta'ala.
Quraysh
Is the name of an Arab tribe descended from Abraham, of which Muhammad, peace be upon him, his grandfather was the chief. Everyone who is from the children of
النضر
is of Quraysh. The first two verses of the surah are, after Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, لإلاف قريش إلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف, meaning, for the accord of Quraysh, their accord for their journey of the winter and the summer. The verbal noun
إيلاف
as used in the original is from,
ألف
which means to be habituated and accustomed, to be reunited after breakup, and to adopt something as a habit. About the inseparable preposition
لإيلاف
for or to that is prefixed to, some Arabists have expressed the opinion that it is to express surprise and wonder. Thus,
لإيلاف قريش
means, how surprising is the conduct of Quraysh. It is only by virtue of Allah's bounty that they are reunited after their dispersion and have become accustomed to the trade journeys which have brought them their prosperity. And yet from Allah's worship and service, they are turning away.
رحلة
Is a noun that means journey or caravan or trip. It comes from the verb
رحل
meaning to depart or to travel.
الشتاء
Is a noun that can mean the season of winter and can mean the rain, but here it holds the first meaning, also
الصيف
means the season of summer. That is, the trade journeys. In summer, the Quraysh traveled northward to Syria and Palestine, for they are cool lands, and in winter southward to Yemen, etc., for they are warm. Now the declension of these verses
لإيلاف
is a prepositional phrase and
إيلاف
is a governing term in Ilafa construction with
قريش
as its genitive term,
إيلافهم
is in opposition
بدل
with the first,
إيلاف رحلة
is the object of the verbal noun,
إيلاف
and it is a governing term in Ilafa construction with
الشتاء
as its genitive term and
الصيف
is linked with
الشتاء
by the conjunction.
و
Now the last two verses are فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ الَّذِي أَطْعَمَهُم مِّن جُوعٍ وَآمَنَهُم مِّن خَوْفٍ, meaning, so let them worship the Lord of this house, who has fed them from hunger and has made them safe from fear. The particle
لي
plus jussive is
لام الأمر
the imperative lam gives an indirect command equivalent to the English let. The verb is often the third person and
لي
is often preceded by the conjunction,
ف
in which case the vowel on
لي
is omitted.
يعبد
Is the verb
عبد
meaning to worship in the jussive mood in the third plural masculine person, they. This verb belongs to the basic strong forms of verb, which all its radicals are strong or sound, meaning there is no weak letter between them.
رب
Is Lord
هذا
means this, is a singular masculine demonstrative pronoun that is used for what is near in some way from the speaker.
البيت
Is the house, and what Allah Ta'ala meant by this house is the holy Kaaba, direction Muslims turn to in prayer. The sentence means that the Quraysh have attained to this blessing only by virtue of the house of Allah Ta'ala. They themselves acknowledge that the 360 idols which they worship are not its Lord, but Allah Ta'ala alone is its Lord. He alone saved them from the invasion of the army of elephants. It was his house, the keeping of which enhanced their rank and position in Arabia. For before that, they were dispersed and commanded no position whatever. Therefore, whatever they have achieved, it has been possible only by the help of the Lord of this house. Therefore, they should worship Him alone.
الذي
Is a relative pronoun for singular masculine noun. Means this who or the one who. This relative pronoun is used to connect the antecedent, which is grammatically definite, to the relative clause. The relative pronoun agrees with the antecedent in number and gender, following the same rules of agreement as adjectives. That's why
الذي
agrees with
رب هذا البيت أطعمهم
is the verb,
أطعم
meaning to feed, to give, or to provide food in the past tense in the third singular masculine he. Refers to Allah Ta'ala, and the object pronoun
هم
is referring to the inhabitants of.
قريش
This verb belongs to the form fourth verbs, which follows this pattern.
من
Of, out of, or from is a preposition that is used here in the meaning of against or in opposition to.
جوع
Is the verbal noun hunger, derived from the verb
جاع
to be hungry. The allusion implies that before the Quraysh came to Mecca, they were scattered, people in Arabia and living miserable lives. After their gathering together in Mecca, they began to prosper, and the Prophet Abraham alayhi salatu wassalam's prayer for them was literally fulfilled when he had prayed.
آمنهم
Is the verb
آمن
to provide safety in the past tense in the third singular masculine he, refers to Allah Ta'ala, and the object pronoun
هم
is referring to the inhabitants of.
قريش
This verb belongs to the form fourth of verbs, which follows this pattern.
خوف
Is a verbal noun, fear, derived from the verb
خاف
to fear. Secure against fear, secure from the fear from which no one anywhere in Arabia was safe. There was no settlement anywhere in the country, the people of which could sleep peacefully at night, for they feared an attack any time from any quarter by some unknown enemy. No one could step out of the bounds of his tribe for fear of life or of being taken prisoner and made a slave. Now the declension of these verses is
ف
a conjunction that introduces the verse,
يعبد
is a verb in jussive mood because of
لا
the imperative lam that precedes it, with its subject
رب
is its object, and it is a governing term in idhafa construction, while the demonstrative pronoun
هذا
is its genitive term,
البيت
is in opposition
بدل
with,
هذا
and the sentence is the main clause which contains the expected consequence of the condition if fulfilled.
جواب الشرط
The relative pronoun
الذي
is in apposition
بدل
with,
رب أطعمهم
is a verb in the past tense with its object and with a hidden subject. And the verbal sentence is a relative clause to,
الذي من جوع
is a prepositional phrase,
آمنهم من خوف
is linked with
أطعمهم من جوع
by the conjunction.
و